There are few things worse than stale donuts. We have made the ultimate guide on how to keep donuts fresh overnight and how to soften them. Donuts tend to go stale pretty quickly, and by following our simple steps for storing donuts, you can easily keep them fresh overnight. The most important thing to keep in mind is that you have to keep them away from air and moisture, that's it. And, even if they do go stale, you can easily soften them in a microwave, oven, or air fryer. Why do donuts go stale? Today, there are many different types of donuts you can find. They can be made from different types of dough, have a variety of fillings, different glazes, and even some delicious toppings. A typical donut is made from a sweetened dough that has been shaped into a ring or sometimes a small ball. These dough balls are then deep-fried in hot oil, allowed to completely cool, and then finally filled and glazed or garnished. The biggest problem when it comes to donuts is that they get stale extremely quickly. Staling is a process that happens when the product dries out through evaporation. During this process, the moisture in the item moves from the starch granules to the interstitial space, and the starch is degelatinized. The starch molecules realign themselves and recrystallize, causing the product to get a very hard and leathery texture. How long do donuts last? Donuts are very best served when they are fresh and within a few hours after being cooked and decorated. Unfortunately, it isn't always possible to finish an entire batch in one sitting. Plain donuts, powdered donuts, and glazed donuts will last between 1 to 2 days if stored properly at room temperature. Naturally, when storing them in the fridge, their shelf life increases to almost a week. If you have any fresh toppings, it may reduce the shelf life a bit. Toppings like crushed cookies or candy will not affect the shelf life, but they may also change in texture. Learn more about white cream filling for donuts. These will need to be refrigerated and will last between 3 to 5 days. Jelly-filled donuts can potentially last longer, however, they will go stale before the actual filling goes bad. How to keep donuts fresh overnight? Luckily, despite their fragile nature, there are a few ways to keep them fresh. We have compiled the ultimate list on how to store donuts overnight. Store them in an airtight container. This is arguably the most important step to take. Air is the #1 culprit that dries donuts and causes them to go stale almost instantly. We highly recommend placing the donuts inside an airtight container or even a resealable plastic bag. This will help extend their shelf life considerably. Reduce the moisture content. Moisture causes donuts to go soggy. This mostly happens when people store their donuts in a hot area or when they are reheating the donuts. The heat that builds up inside the container or inside the donuts will cause it to lose form, the topping to help, and it to become very soft and mushy. Keep them in a cool and dark place or even inside the fridge to help keep the donuts fresh overnight. Store them in a single layer. Do not stack your donuts. While this will take up more space, it is still a critical mistake people make. Stacking the donuts causes the filling or decorations to become ruined, but also creates a buildup of excess moisture, and we now know what moisture does to donuts. How to make a donut soft again. So, sometimes mistakes happen. Your airtight container turned out to not be so airtight, or you accidentally forgot to store them away from any heat sources. Here are some tips on how to soften donuts using very easy steps. How to soften donuts. Microwave them. This is by far the most common and easiest method you can use to soften your stale donuts. Simply put the donuts on a microwave-safe plate and place them inside the microwave on high heat for 15 seconds. You can do this a few times, but only in 15-second intervals. How to make donuts soft again. Use the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and wrap the donuts inside aluminum foil. Place it inside the oven for roughly 5 minutes. This way you are adding moisture back into the donuts because the heat buildup inside the foil creates condensation. Softening your donuts using an air fryer. This method will not only soften your donuts, but will also help keep them crispy to a certain extent. Preheat the air fryer between 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and place the donuts inside for roughly 3 to 4 minutes. Tips and tricks. These reheating methods work best with unfilled and unglazed donuts. When you are heating them, the frosting or filling will definitely either melt or misform. So, we highly recommend not decorating the donuts if you know you will need to keep them fresh overnight. Work slowly. Do not heat the donuts at too high temperatures for too long. This could also lead to you accidentally burning them or drying them out completely. Do not foil wrap the donuts when using the microwave method. You cannot place any type of metal inside a microwave. You can, however, wrap them when using the oven method or the air fryer method. Can you freeze donuts? While this doesn't necessarily apply to the question how to keep donuts fresh overnight, it is still a very helpful and useful trick. Again, unfilled and unglazed donuts freeze best. Some fillings, especially cream-based fillings, can split and change consistency when frozen and then thawed. To freeze donuts, simply wrap them individually, stack them inside an airtight container, and freeze them for up to 3 months. To thaw, remove the frozen donuts from the freezer and thaw them slowly inside the fridge. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.